Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Cooking with Cheeds. Today we're making shrimp and egg fried rice. Let's get it. First thing you want to do is chop up some shallots. And now we're going to chop up some green onions. And there you go, nice and chopped up and ready. Now we're going to crack some eggs. You crack your one egg, again, you crack your one egg, again, you crack your one. Oh, that was double yolked. Oh, wow. Gonna crack about 4 eggs. After you crack your eggs, you wanna whisk it all about. You wanna make sure it's nice and uniform for when you put it in the wok. As I mentioned before, you need a wok. You cannot make fried rice without a wok because you need that wok here. Into the wok, you're gonna add some vegetable oil, or you can use peanut oil or canola oil, just a little bit. When the oil is nice and hot, you're gonna add your eggs. You're gonna cook the eggs all the way through. And you want your wok to be as hot as possible. So set the fire to high. And that's not hot. When the eggs are done, you're gonna take them off the heat, add some more oil, and wait for it to get hot again. Once the oil is nice and hot, add some scrimps. Now once the shrimp is about cooked through, we'll add some minced garlic. And you're gonna add the shallots. Once the flavors have gotten to know each other, you're gonna add some chili oil, just a splash. Now we're gonna add some carrots and sugar snap peas. While that's done cooking, the next step is to add some rice. You gotta make sure it's leftover rice. You don't boil the rice and use the same day to cook fried rice. No, that's a big no-no. No, just don't do it. Next, we're going to add some sambal, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some MSG. Once you stir it around, it should look something like this. And now you're going to add the eggs back in. Clearly I didn't make enough eggs. Oh well. Last and most certainly not least, add green onions. As always, you want salt and pepper to taste. And voila, you're done. After you're done, you can dish it up however you like, you know, make it nice and fancy. Or you don't know, just serve it out to people, whatever you want. Now let's have a taste. That is delicious. Oh yeah, I'm out. I'll see y'all next time. Also, don't forget, this has been Cooking with Cheeds.